How to check Amazon deals of the day. Looking for a deal? This guide shows you how to check Amazon deals of the day so you can save your money on your orders. First, open the Amazon shopping app. You can find the Today Deals section on the home page or in the main menu. Tap on it to go to the details page. You'll see a variety of products with discounts. You can use the filters to narrow down the deals. You can filter by category, brand, and more. This will help you find deals that you want to see. You can also sort the deals by popularity, price, and more. On the Today's Deals page, you may also see lightning deals. These are time-limited deals on limited number of products. They are often a great way to save money, but you need to act fast as they sell out very quickly. You can also sign up for alerts for a specific deal. You now know how to check Amazon's deals of the day. Get ready to save money on your orders. Like and subscribe for more app tips.